scrape it off at an angle. If you touch it, you'll see when you're doing it, and just take it off like this, or like this. Here's a quick tip on how to debark, especially the smaller branches, because there isn't much bark on them compared to the thicker ones, so it's really a pain in the butt to debark them. So with the chainsaw it makes it pretty easy. Also, I wouldn't do it on the thicker ones because there's more of a chance that there's sand ingrained in the bark, which will dull your chain immensely. But on the smaller ones, this is a pretty quick way to do it, especially since I'm going to be sanding this, so at least most of it will be gone, but then I can finish it off with the grinder. Pretty happy with that. It saves me a lot of time. Yes, it's going to cost you, I don't know, 30 cents or 20 cents in fuel. I don't know, I haven't calculated it, but it's not much. But definitely faster than trying to do it with an axe, especially when you have 50 or 60 to do. Alrighty, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share if you want to. Take it easy and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.